Hello everyone from under my cherry blossom tree. It doesn't actually produce any cherries unfortunately, but just letting you know that we are doing a Virtual Food Festival Fringe event, which is going to be this Sunday 5 p.m. on our YouTube channel, which you can find through the virtualfoodfestival.org website and a link in my bio on my Instagram. The Fringe events are going to concentrate on one supplier, so we're actually crossing live to Natalie at St Enodoc Asparagus because they are in the middle of their season. It's a very short season and they can send this product out. It's the best asparagus in the world, used by chefs like Nathan Outlaw, Paul Ainsworth. It's fantastic. So we're going to cross live to them. They're going to talk through how they grow it and why it's so special. Cross over to Ross. He's probably going to tell you how he found it very difficult to grow asparagus on his farm, and then over to me for a demo of how to cook asparagus a few different ways, not boiling it. It's the most important thing, which you'll learn. Now, also, we've teamed up with Crowdfunding, which I didn't realise they're actually from Cornwall. They're in Newquay, so they've helped us set up a page where you can now get some rewards. So on top of donating to the NHS like we did before, we're also donating to St Enodoc homeless charity, because a lot of their key workers are over 70, so they're not able to help at the moment. So it's really important that we look after people who are struggling more than we are at the moment. And the St Enodoc homeless charity is a wonderful charity based in Truro, and the rewards are pretty simple. £2, you go into a raffle to win one of a few front row seats to my demo. So that means that you'll be actually on the live feed. You can ask questions. I'll pull you in. I can talk to you. You basically sit next to me on the channel and we can talk about all things asparagus and any other questions you might have. We'll do a Q&A session with those premium tickets, front row ticket holders at the end. And then the second prize, which is the real special one, for a £5, there's one mega prize, which is going to be a whole turbot from Fish for Thought, a bottle of white burgundy, a bunch of asparagus and some salad from Ross at Padstow Kitchen Garden. We'll send that up to you next day delivery, and that winner will then get a private one-to-one Zoom call with me, and I'll teach you how to cook a whole turbot with asparagus and hollandaise sauce, one of our signature dishes and probably the best fish dish in the world. So that's it. So that prize will be announced next week, but it's live now on our crowdfunder site. So go over there, donate, get the front row tickets, get in for a shot to win that turbot, and we'll see you Sunday 5 p.m. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Can't wait to see you there. Thank you.